What we're looking at here is the Shutterguard 100 aluminium shutter system. I guess the most unique feature of this system is certainly in the construction of the frame. So, in most cases we're using a 50 by 50 by 3 extruded aluminium section, fully welded. So what that enables us to do is to have smooth connection details or smooth corner details, and also by having a fully welded system we've got I guess additional rigidity and strength. The blades, as you can see, are a 100mm wide section and enable you to rotate through, I guess to enable your blades to either provide full privacy, allow, I guess, a relatively uninterrupted view, or even in some applications tilt them to get privacy from neighbouring properties below, but still allow some penetration through. This particular setup that we've got here is actually a bifold setup. So what we can do is disengage the flush bolt section and enable ourselves to stack those panels at any point along the length of the track that you'd like. So you can, if you're wanting to, slide and stack at one end, or conversely come to the other end also and stack them there. So we fit these with a single top and bottom track, and then you can effectively, I guess, fill that opening with as many or as few pairs of panels as you'd like. What that does enable you to do is to fit a track, fit I guess a certain number of panels to give you privacy. If you're wanting to add more panels at a later date, that's absolutely not a problem. As you can see on this particular shutter, being a bifold panel, we generally do always have a mid-rail section here to add additional strength to the system. And you can also see that on the ends of the blades we're using powder-coated aluminium end caps, so that you can have a consistent finish on your frames, blades and end caps, and also provide a bit of extra strength being an aluminium cap rather than a plastic or a glass or nylon end cap. So they're available in a range of all your Dulux and Interpon powder coat ranges, and are suitable for domestic or commercial applications. What we're looking at here are some sliding aluminium shutter panels. In this case we've got one screen using a 70mm Luvitech blade and the other using a Luvitech 90mm blade. In both instances they're mounted within welded aluminium frames and utilising the Shutterguard top track and bottom track system. As you can see, by utilising that welded frame, it does enable us to do quite large panels without the need for a mid-rail, which will allow you to have relatively unimpeded views through when the blades are in an open position. And it will allow you to stack your panels at one end or the other. And by using the friction slide mechanism that's unique to the Shutterguard system, as I said, you've got a nice smooth operation, but it does have a level of friction there that means that it's not absolutely essential for you to necessarily engage it in with the need of locks or the likes to prevent those panels from moving or sliding from one end of the track to the other if you're not home in high weather conditions.